Fishwhip the Alchemist, written by Noel Mallet and John Bliss, narrated by Noel Mallet. There are some sounds you get used to in Norfwood Cave. The snore of a sleeping goblin, the shuffle of feet over damp moss, the occasional loud splat from someone trying to make soup out of the wrong kind of mushroom. But if you hear a strange high-pitched whistle followed by a cloud of green smoke and an unmistakable bellowing laugh, that'll be Fishwhip. Fishwhip is an alchemist. Not the serious sort with scrolls and silver flasks. No, he's the kind who brews in boots, takes notes on the back of biscuit wrappers and thinks that setting your own tail on fire counts as a sign of progress. He keeps a lab in Norfwood Cave, and it's filled with all sorts of clattering, chattering, frothing things. Some of them are kept in jars, and some of them should be. Luckily, Fishwhip has help. Gobba and Labrat are often close at hand, mostly because they're the only two who don't run for cover when something bubbles ominously. Fishwhip has a saying: no experiments can go wrong, it can only go unexpectedly correct. Not every goblin agrees with him, especially after the incident with the blue goo and the collapsed pantry wall. But Fishwhip keeps going. Stubbornness is a virtue in his eyes. His latest triumph? Extra long-lasting candles, grown from a strange fungus he found deep in the mushroom farm cave. They smell a little bit like swamp lettuce, but they burn for days, weeks even, if you can stand the colour. When he's not in the lab, you'll find him at a party. Fishwhip is loud, cheerful, and impossible to ignore. His laugh lifts the roof off most gatherings, and sometimes the eyebrows of everyone under it. He does carry a dagger though. Looks like scratched, tarnished, battered, nearly forgotten. But the edge is very sharp, too sharp, magical maybe. Because, and don't tell anyone, it's not really his. Belongs to a mage named Alchemist. No one really quite remembers how it changed hands, least of all Fishwhip or Alchemist. But Fishwhip hides it just as fiercely as Alchemist hunts it, which tells you something, doesn't it? It's perfect for slicing magical ingredients, but don't look too closely, or Fishwhip might explode with laughter, or things might just explode. It's much the same. So if you ever find yourself in Norfwood Cave and you hear a giggle just before the candles and the lanterns flicker, don't worry. Or don't worry too much. It's probably just Fishwhip doing something correctly, completely by accident. That was a tale from Owtdare, discovered in a jar, labelled in yellow chalk and slightly glowing. And if you're just joining us, there's a whole world to explore at Owtdare.com. You'll find maps, characters, and even links to some illustrated storybooks if you want to take the tales with you. Sleep well, traveller. We'll see you next time.